How to find friends' location on Snapchat. Let's get started. Launch Snapchat, your camera will open up. Now click on the location icon given at the bottom left corner. With that, your map will open up. Now allow location services for the Snapchat app. For that, click on the settings icon given at the top right. Click on the option Allow. You will be directed to settings page. Click on location, set it to while using app or always. Once you have enabled location services for the Snapchat, now what you have to do is click on the settings option again. Now make sure you have disabled for the option ghost mode. With this, now your friends will be able to find your location. Likewise, in order to find your friend's location, you can head back to the map section. Now over here, you're gonna find the friend's location if they have enabled for the option location. In case they haven't given access of location to the Snapchat app, you won't be able to find their location. You can also visit the profile of that person. If they have enabled location, you'll be able to find the location. But if they haven't enabled it, you won't find the location of that person. So this way you can find friends' location on Snapchat. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.